Let's get it on.
What is going on, guys? I need bass. So we went on and picked up a truck, and it's a 2009 Colorado LT. Had to do some bondo work on it and try to get it back to where it needed to be at. Had a lot of rust spots. But the reason for this video is that this truck doesn't come with a 12-volt accessory wire for your radio. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to put it in. Let's get it. All right, so I'm just going to make this video a little bit quick because I know a lot of people wants to get through it and be like, what is it? So some people say, hey man, find that black wire up there. It's the fifth one from the right side. And I come to find out that didn't work for me. That didn't work at all. Every time I turn the key, it just never happened. If this is happening the same way to you, I got another solution. Follow me. All right, so I ran a separate wire and I put it right there in that 15 right there. You see that? Put it right there. It should say on your box 15A ignition. So then, but I ain't gonna don't worry about this right here, guys, because that's gonna go straight through there in the firewall. No, I ain't gonna leave it like that, cuz. And then let's go in here and turn the key over. This is just for play. And see, look, boom. Turn straight on for me. That wire down there did not do nothing for me. It might work for you, but it didn't do nothing for me. But this turns it right on. A click of a key. Watch this. Turn it off. Bam. Just came right off. If it does work for you, that's awesome, guys. Maybe this was wired differently. I don't know. I don't know how previous owners did their thing, but this did not work for me. But putting it up there in the fuse box, it did help me, and it works perfectly fine. I will leave a link in the description where you can get this. You can also get the wiring harness and that red wire that they want you to use. And that's basically it, guys. And now we can start running everything through the firewall, making, you know, nice and clean. But I hope this video helped you guys out. Thank you for tuning in. Signing Bass, signing out. Peace.
Let's get it on.